Bosch VAC090AH Dust Extractor Review. Real results for cleaner, safer job sites. Ever finish a cut and watch a cloud of fine dust hang in the air? I remember grinding concrete indoors and seeing that haze drift toward my face. Not good. You feel it in your throat before you even think about cleanup. If you have worked around silica or drywall dust, you know that uneasy pause. Sound familiar? The pressure builds fast when suction drops mid-job. You stop, tap the filter, restart, and lose momentum. That constant tension slows you down and makes every task heavier. I tried regular shop vacs and manual cleaning routines. Same problem. There has to be a cleaner, steadier way to manage dust without babysitting the machine all day. Then, everything changed when I found the Bosch VAC090AH dust extractor. Don't just pick any dust extractor. Make sure it has automatic filter cleaning so you never waste time on clogged filters and dropping suction again. The Bosch VAC090AH pulses its filter every 15 seconds, keeping airflow steady during long grinding sessions. Let me be honest. The first time I ran it for an extended concrete job, I kept waiting for suction to fade, and it simply did not. HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns, which means noticeably cleaner air on demanding tasks. Power tool activation turns the extractor on the moment your grinder or saw starts, and the power broker dial lets you balance power without tripping circuits. A contractor I know was racing a drywall deadline. Normally he would stop twice to clear a clogged filter, but the VAC090AH kept pulling dust consistently and saved the afternoon. Relief. It is built for serious dust control, not casual garage cleanup. After weeks of steady use, the Bosch VAC090AH dust extractor becomes part of your workflow rather than an add-on. You spend less time clearing filters and more time finishing cuts. That consistency sharpens focus and keeps jobs moving. Shop tool reviews said that if you need to seriously reduce dust on a job site, this extractor deserves serious attention. One long-term user highlighted how the automatic filter cleaning maintained maximum airflow during heavy drywall sanding. On professional forums, contractors frequently mention how the tool-triggered auto on-off feels like a small feature that makes a big daily difference. I noticed that too when switching between grinders and saws without touching the vacuum. Some hesitate because it is more specialized than a typical shop vac. That is fair. It isn't the lightest unit at about 28 pounds, and the filter clean pulse can be loud. But that pulse is the reason suction stays strong. Over time, cleaner air and steadier extraction simply feel normal. Would steady suction and HEPA containment change how you work day to day? The Bosch VAC090AH dust extractor is about control, compliance, and consistent performance. Instead of fighting dust clouds and clogged filters, you work in a cleaner, calmer environment. Thousands of contractors and serious DIYers rely on this style of HEPA dust extraction daily, and results may vary based on setup and tool pairing. If you want sustained suction and safer dust management, check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment to explore the Bosch VAC090AH dust extractor and see if it fits your workflow.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.